Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your headlight on your Nissan Kicks. So this is the headlight that I bought from Amazon. This is the H11 and H9 LED headlight bulb. This is a plug and play headlight that's really easy to install. We're going to remove these two headlight bulbs, the low beam and the high beam. First is we're going to remove the high beam. There's a connector here. You just need to push this tab out, push it forward, and it's going to release really easy. And the same goes for the low beam. To remove the bulb, we need to rotate it counterclockwise. After removing the headlight, we can now reinstall the new LED headlight bulb. So we're going to install it and then turn the bulb clockwise to secure it. That's good. Last step is to connect the connector to the bulb. So both the high beam and low beam lights are all connected and secured now. Same process goes for the two light bulbs on the passenger side. For the passenger side, tighten the bulb by turning it clockwise. Huh?
That is like something here. Look.
Oh wow! The last step is to try if those bulbs are working good. And that's how you replace headlight bulbs on your Nissan Kicks. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.